Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about how to create Microsoft Dynamics CRM trial version. So first we have to create Outlook email. Okay, and go to Google and create Outlook email and type it and now create a free account. Enter your email ID following outlook.com and click on next button. Enter your password, click next button, enter your details like country and date of birth and all. Click next button, enter your full name like first name and last name. Click next button. So now click on press and hold this screen so that it will be validated. Here you can skip for now button. This is kind of pin actually, but we don't require right now. Click on skip for now. It will navigate to the outlooklive.com and your email ID, Outlook email ID has been created. So this email ID we are going to use it. So first what we need to do is we need to go to Google and type Dynamics CRM 365 free trial, and the first link and second link, any or link, any link is fine. You can select any one of them. Now it will be navigated to this screen, and here all free products are displayed. And first I selected sales, and you have to enter your Outlook email ID that you have created just now, and select this drop down checkbox, start your free trial. This is an error message that you will see. It is as usual, but click on second option. See here, to continue with this username, set up a new account is option. Option is available. Second option, select that option only. Okay, not set your trial free. The second option, trial. Select second option and it will navigate to this screen. Here you have to enter your email ID, Outlook email ID. You have to enter it and click next. And click next again, and set this same direction, that image, how the direction is there, right? Same direction you have to move it, that image, and click submit button, and it will be validated. Validation is completed, and set up account. Fill this form. Click next, and here you have to enter your password, and this is your Dynamics user ID and password. Username and domain name is there, right? So this is your Dynamics user ID and password. And now it is creating that account, and account has been created. This form you have to fill it out, and then use this address, enter your PAN number, and this screen will display. Here you have to enter your debit or credit card number. Save it. Use this address, and then you will get that OTP. You have to enter the OTP. Then your account has been created for sales, and you can click on get started button here. And this is user ID. You have to copy somewhere in the notepad. And when you get started, this screen will display. This is admin center, and email also will trigger to your Outlook. Anyway, this is the admin center URL, and you have to save it. And again, you can add other modules also. Just now you have added sales. Now you are going to add customer service. So click on try for free and enter your Outlook user ID. Sorry, Dynamics user ID, and enter your phone number and in a country. Select your user ID, and it will be added to your admin center again. Okay, so this is second module I have added, and when you refresh it, it will be displayed under product in the Microsoft admin center. Okay, it is displaying customer service. And next we are going to add field service. Field service also comes under CRM only. Click on try for free. Enter your email ID, Dynamics email ID, not Outlook. Click sign for free, and again I am doing it. And you enter your user ID and password, mobile number and country, then it will be added automatically. I skipped that screen. However, okay, so now you see customer field service also added. And third is the third application is marketing customer insight. Latest name is I have selected, and I am adding country and mobile number, and it is also added. Just refresh it. That's it. And copy this URL for future reference purpose. And when you refresh it, then automatically the product will be added. I am just copied in the notepad. Click and refresh it. So that third fourth product also added in the admin center. 4 products I have added. And now you have to select Power Platform here in the left hand side. So it will navigate to the Power Platform. This is a new UI of Power Platform. Select Manage option. These are all our environments. We have to create our new environment. Okay, for example, you are developing application, click on a new button and enter dev environment like that. September dev September environment. I just entered. Group none. Region India. Trial subscription based, and save it. And click next, and here also create like security group is none. Done. And here you have to select enable dynamics apps, yes, and if you want you can select any of them and save it, otherwise leave it. Now your environment has been creating here, dev environment. Refresh it, so automatically it will be created. and just this is a new admin center look. Actually, you can disable it, and old look, this is old, you know, I just changed it. In the top right hand side I click it. Go to settings and products, behavior. These are all the settings that we have to do it. And show legacy app to everyone, not just admin. And this second option also, show legacy apps for admin. Both are on. These two are on. You should make it on. So both are on. Save it. And again go to settings, features, scroll down, environment setting behavior, it should be off, save it. Again go to environment, select your environment, Dev September environment. Click on that URL, it will navigate to the screen. These are all the default apps that are displayed. Okay, and select, you know, select Dynamics 365 custom. So we are going to use this app. This is like sales or sales module. And say, go to right hand side settings, in the top advanced settings, and again settings, select solutions. Now default solutions being displayed, and if you want you can create a new solution here. Okay, that's it. Thank you.